Welcome. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to download YouTube app on iPhone. So if you want to know how I did it, just keep on watching. So first of all, you want to go to your app store and you want to search for YouTube. So here on my device, I already have YouTube, but here at the open button, if you don't have a YouTube, there's a text that says install. So just go ahead and click on install, and you just need to type on your Apple password. Okay, but sometimes your phone won't ask for that, but it really depends. Okay, so you just need to wait until it is done installing, and once it's done, the install button should now change to open button. So just go ahead and click open, and you will go to the YouTube app. So that is how you do it. I hope this video helps you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day.